Nestled in the heart of Ayodhya, a city steeped in Indian history and mythology, unfolds the captivating saga of the Ram Mandir. This sacred ground, revered by millions, becomes a focal point where faith, controversy, and a centuries-old struggle converge. Join us on a visual expedition through the Ram Mandir's journey, a testament to the resilience of the people and the intricate dance of religion and politics. Our story traces back to the Mughal era when the Babri Masjid was erected in 1528 under Babur's rule. Yet, it's in the late 20th century that the issue gains prominence, sparking a nationwide debate with significant socio-political repercussions. The contested land, believed by Hindus to be Lord Ram's birthplace, sets off fervent demands for a Ram temple. A protracted legal battle unfolds, navigating through historical evidence, religious sentiments, and constitutional principles.
Amidst the pages of history, a pre-existing Ram Mandir, a testament to centuries of devotion, stood on the disputed land. This ancient structure, echoing with the whispers of prayers, adds an additional layer to the complex narrative. The pivotal moment arrives on December 6, 1992, when a multitude of Kar Sevaks demolishes the Babri Masjid, as it was a symbolic reclamation of Lord Ram's birthplace. This incident reverberates across the nation, igniting communal tensions and widespread unrest. Post-demolition, a cascade of legal battles ensues, transforming the Ram Janmabhoomi Babri Masjid case into one of India's most contentious disputes. After decades of legal wrangling, the Supreme Court delivers a historic verdict on November 9, 2019, granting the disputed land to Hindus for the construction of the Ram Temple and allocating an alternative site for a mosque.
In 2020, the long-cherished dream of millions materializes as the construction of the Ram Mandir begins. The groundbreaking ceremony, attended by dignitaries and religious leaders, becomes a moment of unity and celebration, transcending religious boundaries. Beyond its religious significance, the Ram Mandir becomes a symbol of national unity and identity. Its construction sparks debates on the delicate balance between faith and secularism in India's diverse and pluralistic society. The site is the birthplace of Lord Ram, a revered figure in Hinduism. The story of Lord Ram is not only a religious narrative, but also a cultural and historical one. The construction of the Ram Mandir is seen as a way to honor this rich cultural heritage. The construction of the Ram Mandir is perceived as a unifying force. It brings together millions of people from diverse backgrounds and communities who share a common reverence for Lord Ram. The project has witnessed participation from people across various sections of society, transcending religious boundaries. The Ram Janmabhoomi Babri Masjid dispute was a source of tension for decades. The resolution of this dispute through the legal process and the subsequent construction of the Ram Mandir is seen as a step towards healing and reconciliation. It represents the ability of a diverse society to resolve contentious issues peacefully. The construction of the Ram Mandir reflects the cultural synthesis and harmony intrinsic to India's heritage. It is a testament to the coexistence of diverse religious and cultural traditions, acknowledging the significance of Ayodhya in the shared history of the nation. The Ram Mandir has come to symbolize a sense of national identity and pride. It represents a collective aspiration to preserve and celebrate India's cultural and historical roots. The site holds importance not only for the Hindu community, but also for the broader cultural fabric of the nation. The peaceful resolution of the dispute and the subsequent construction of the Ram Mandir sends a positive message about religious tolerance and coexistence. It emphasizes the importance of respecting each other's beliefs while finding common ground for peaceful cohabitation. While the Ram Mandir is a sacred place for Hindus, its significance extends beyond religious boundaries. It stands as a symbol of India's rich cultural tapestry, emphasizing the values of peace, unity, and cultural harmony that are integral to the nation's ethos.
As the Ram Mandir takes shape, it stands as a testament to the resilience of faith and the collective will of a nation. This saga mirrors the intricacies of India's socio-political landscape, where history, religion, and politics intertwine to shape the nation's narrative.
The Ram Mandir isn't merely a physical structure. It embodies the enduring spirit of a people, symbolizing the triumph of faith over adversity, the resolution of a long-standing dispute, and the hope for harmonious coexistence. The journey of the Ram Mandir etches itself in the annals of history, a saga of faith, struggle, and ultimate triumph.